From bustling city centers to quiet suburban homes, Airbnb has changed the way people travel and stay. But did you know there's a method to make money from it without owning property? Hello, travelers and aspiring entrepreneurs. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Airbnb Arbitrage, a method where you rent properties and then sub-rent them on Airbnb, making a profit in the process. Sounds simple, right? But as with any venture, there's more to it than meets the eye. Number 1. What is Airbnb Arbitrage? Airbnb Arbitrage is the process of renting a property, traditionally on a long-term lease, then turning around and listing it on Airbnb at a higher nightly rate. Your profit? The difference between your monthly lease payment and your Airbnb income. Number 2. Why Airbnb Arbitrage? It offers a lower entry cost than buying property, flexibility, and a chance to scale quickly. Plus, with the growing popularity of short-term rentals, the market is ripe. 3. Getting started. First, pick your city. Do market research. Which areas have a high demand for short-term rentals? Consider tourist attractions, business centers, and events. Next, negotiate a lease. Be open with the landlord about your plans and ensure subletting is allowed. 4. Setting up your Airbnb listing. Once you've secured the property, it's time to list. Invest in good photos, write a catchy description, and price it right. Remember, reviews matter. Ensure guests have a great experience. 5. Managing the logistics. Consider hiring a cleaning service for turnovers. Set up a reliable check-in and check-out system, and stay on top of your booking calendar to prevent double bookings. 6. Overcoming challenges. Every business has its hiccups. Be prepared for unexpected repairs, occasional vacancies, and always ensure you're adhering to local regulations and Airbnb's terms of service. 7. Scale and grow. Once you're comfortable with one property, consider expanding. The true potential of Airbnb Arbitrage lies in scaling up and managing multiple properties. It's an exciting venture, but always remember, like any business, it requires dedication, research, and a touch of hospitality. Airbnb Arbitrage, a modern way to tap into the booming short-term rental market. With diligence and hard work, it could be your ticket to financial freedom. Thanks for joining me on this Airbnb Arbitrage journey. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, and for more insightful tips, hit that subscribe button. Safe travels and happy hosting.